Today we're going to separate Huawei models, frame and glass. This is Huawei 20 Pro. Okay, here we go.
现在加在这。
First we're going to heat the glass and also heat the frame. We set it to 110 temperature.
用那个双面刀片，薄的双面刀片。刀片。它就割这个地方哈，它这里有一个框胶。框胶割它。
We use this double-side blade to cut the tall-side glass between the frame. There's a frame glue inside there. The heat machine temperature is always keep 100 temperature.
这边排线要小心一点。
哦，这是下面是吗？
下面。
The bottom side, when you cut the bottom side frame glue, you need to take care because the flex is under there. After you cut the four-side frame, you need to clean in the frame glue. And then turn on the vacuum. And the screen is sucking well on heat plate. This liquid is alcohol, it won't damage the screen. That transparent film is the protective film on the front glass. You can just cut that film and use it to separate the frame. Because we already cut the frame glue with that blade, so it's very easy to put this film inside the screen. Put a harder, transparent film inside to make a color. And then just put it well and take another film to put inside another corner. It's the same method. After you separate the two corners of the screen, you can pull the frame when you separate the double-side frame. Now it's much easier. On this side, there are some flex on this side, so you need to take care when you are taking off this side frame. Just put inside a little film.
好，这个已经开了。现在是这边一样的，也是
Now we're going to take off another side frame.
倒的水。
Only the bottom side frame need to separate.
然后把这个排烟拔下来，它排烟粘在上面了。我往那提点，往这边推。提起来，往这边推。
The flex is there. You need to pull the frame and push it on this way.
推得慢一点。
Okay, push it on this way and just take the whole frame.
这样提前一点推 ，OK， 这样 OK。
Now we're going to continue separate the front glass.
都在拍的，你才能拍到。
After you separate the frame, you need to cleaning the 4 side
这个
frame
胶
glue.
都要处理干净的，上面胶。
The 4 side frame glue all need to cleaning well. Transparent film inside the screen and the front glass. That is make it easier for you to separate the glass later. To better to make the cutting wheel, put it inside. Okay, this color glass is broken too much, so we will separate this color now. Okay, we finished the separate glass. Okay, now we're going to continue cleaning the glue. When you are cleaning the glue, the temperature you should set to 75 temperature to 85 temperature. Too much temperature will damage the screen. Okay. Everything is cleaning well. Later we will go into laminate. Laminate with our sinking new mode. Okay, now we're going to continue laminate our HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro screen. This is our HUAWEI new mode, Mate 20 Pro. This HUAWEI mode is almost the same like our sinking mode. It comes with 2 plates. That top part is also used for alignment glass. We change it to laminate edge ochre and press start. We set the pressure to 40 pressure, and there are 4 preset pressure on the screen. The vacuum time we set it to 30 seconds and the hold time we set it to 40 seconds. This machine, as I told you on the last video, this machine you can remove the bubble and laminate screen and ochre at the same time. Okay, we laminate ochre well. There's some bubbles. We just put inside the bubble remover to remove bubble for 10 minutes. Later, we will continue laminate the screen. We put it inside and press the debubbler button. Now we're going to check the result. We remove bubble for 10 minutes. And now, all the bubbles get out and there's no bubble. Perfect. Okay, here we're going to laminate the screen. Make sure you put the flex cable inside that black mat, inside there, to make sure it won't damage the flex when you laminate. Okay, now we put it inside our machine and we change it to laminate HLCD. The vacuum time we still set it to 25 seconds and the hold time is still 40 seconds. The pressure for laminate HLCD is 25. There are some small bubbles after we laminate the screen. Okay, here we're going to still remove the bubble for 10 minutes. Okay, now let's go to check the result after we remove bubble. Okay, this is the screen. We remove bubble for 45 minutes. Very perfect. There's no bubbles at all. Very good. Thanks for watching.